This is probably the cutest, most adorable nightlight lamp you will ever see. This is in my daughter's bedroom. I actually partially unscrewed the top from the bottom just so that I could show you, taking this off with one hand, how easy it is to change the light bulb if necessary. As you can see, there are threads on the bottom. Look, there's even a texture on the bottom. And this slides right over the top nice and gently. And then that, of course, screws all the way onto the bottom. As you can see, this is how you turn it on and off, like so. And this is a wonderful low-key night light that my daughters use to read books such as Warrior Cat, Sky Clan, and The Stranger. Oh, this is such an epic graphic novel. Oh, I warn you, once you start in these graphic novels, you'll never go to sleep. Unless, of course, you turn off your mushroom light. Then you're able to go to sleep. But isn't that just adorable? I love it.